Hey, what's up? It's been a long time since I last recorded that regenerating shield video. As you can see, my hair's quite a bit longer than in that video. I actually had to rewatch the whole video because I didn't have this thing anymore, so I had to remake it. As you can see, everything's the same except for I don't have the little icons up there. By the way, this is a continuation off of the other regenerating shield video, so if you want the whole thing, you gotta watch that one first. Unfortunately, I can't just add video onto my other one. Otherwise, I would just add this as a continuation to my other video. But yeah, so this is what it does. It regenerates the shields. And what you guys wanted, or some of you guys wanted, is after you take damage, your shield stops regenerating, or doesn't regenerate for a little bit, for however much time. I can make it customizable. And after that time elapses, then it starts regenerating. So yeah, let's first get started in here. And what I'm going to create here is I am going to get the variable. So we're going to create a Boolean here. And I'm just going to call it damaged and give it a question mark here. So let's see. So damaged, I'm just going to get a branch off of this. So all I'm doing here is checking to see if my character is damaged. And if it's true, then I'm going to do this stuff. Of course, it doesn't do anything yet because I haven't set up the logic for it yet. So let me first make sure this is equal to the max shield. Let me just drag this on here. So if this is equal to the max shield, I want to stop saying that it's damaged so it stops regenerating, right? So let me get a branch off of this. And if this is true, I want to set it as it's not damaged anymore. Okay. So there's that. Okay, and then here's my event any damage. So if any damage is called, I actually want a delay here. Delay. And this is going to be how long it's going to take for your character to regenerate. So if I say 5 seconds, it's going to take 5 seconds for them to start regenerating. And then I'm going to check this as damaged. Sorry, I'll just grab this one. Damaged, and I'm going to click on the check mark, and that means true. So that should now activate. All right, so should that be fine? Checks if it's damaged. It's damaged. Wait, let me check this out real quick. See how this looks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mississippi. Okay. So it's moving. Okay. So, but if I take damage again, it's still regenerating, and you guys probably don't want that. You probably want to stop again after you take damage again. So let me go up here. Let me think. So if I take this and I set this here, once I take damage, it'll indicate that this will be unchecked. So it's going to start the delay timer over. I think that's how it would work. Wait, let's see. Wait, let me damage myself a little bit. Okay. And then if I press E, okay. So yeah, once let me rapid heal. Delay. I'm gonna take it to like 0.1. All right, let's see. Take hit, regenerating. If I hit it again, I take damage and it stops me from regenerating for a little bit. One more thing. I saw that when you hit the regeneration button, or when you take damage again, when it's regenerating, it does like this last minute like tick at the end there where it heals a little bit. So going back to here, if you actually, so what's happening right here is it's already going through the delay process, even though it's not true anymore. So that's why you're getting that last second like heal at the end there, because it's already still going through the delay at the time. So if I just switch these to this and switch this to here, this will make it so you don't have that last tick, I think. Let's see. And there's not that last tick. Let me try it again. Nope, we're good to go. Yeah, thank you for, thank you very much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.